Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture we will solve a question in which we are given a cylinder. A cylinder of 10 is given to us with the radius r and height h. Radius is r and height is h. So we have to find its surface area, means area of the surfaces where the curve area is also included and the bottom he said that included both bottoms. So this means the top and the lower bottom is included and the curved surface is involved. So the area will be, and the radius is r. So area of circle is pi r square, which is 2 times 2 areas, and then we have to multiply the area of this one curved surface, so which is 2 pi r the circumference multiply with the height. So take common 2 pi r, you have r plus a. This is the surface area. Now we solve the second part. In second part, area is given 54 pi 2 pi r plus 6. Height is 6. So the information we are given to us, we will substitute here and try to solve for the unknown r. And we have to locate, we have to find the value of r. So dear student, you can write from here 27. So 27 is r square plus 6r. Rewrite equation, you will get minus 27. 9 3 27. So you can write r plus 9 and r minus 3. If you multiply 9 and 3, you will get minus 27, and if you add, you will get 6. So here are two possibilities. R is minus 9 and 3. Since radius cannot be negative, so we ignore this value and only consider r equal to 3. So your answer is r is 3. Now we solve the third part. In the third part, we are given that area equal to 150 pi and diameter is equal to h. It means the information given to us 2r equal to h. So dear student, we have to find the value of r. So we convert this equation either in h or r. Then we have equation in one variable and then it becomes easy to solve. So substituting value here, you will get 150 pi 2 pi r and r plus h equal to 2r. So dear student, you can write from here 75 equal to, this is 3r square. So it means r square is 25, so r is 5. We are considering only the positive value. If r is 5 centimeter, and this is your answer.